My name's Gili.
Hi, my name's Liya.
So
Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade challah.
now I'm going to tell you all the ingredients. Yeast, oil, salt, flour, sugar, warm water and eggs.
First we're going to put the flour. Now we're going to put sugar and salt.
And now I'm going to put in the yeast. Now I'm going to put in the wet ingredient, the water, egg, and oil. Some oil, then some water.
Now it's on the water.
And the last ingredient, the eggs. Eggs. Stir it up. Mix all the ingredients up. Now I'm going to add a little bit of more flour because it's sticky. My dough is ready, and now I'm going to grease my bowl and let it rise for a few hours. Put it in a warm, dark place to let it rise. My dough has risen and it should feel smooth and soft, and now it's time to plant. First I'm going to make a bracha on my challah. I took off a piece of each of my challah doughs. Now let's say the bracha. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kiddushanu v'tzivanu fresh challah. Now I'm going to let it burn in the oven. Now I'm going to wrap them in each other and make two big sausages. One. Now I'm going to make it into a little bun. Close, pinch the side. My mommy's gonna make a big challah now. A big bun. Big bun, big bun, big bun. Big bun, big bun. Big bun, big bun. Big bun, bun, bun. Now I'm going to paint my challah. I'll make 2 baby ones and 3 baby ones. Now I'm going to pour some sesame seeds on top. Bake in the oven for 180 degrees to 30 to 40 minutes. I just took these out of the oven and they're golden brown. Now we're ready for Shabbat.